precious arrow 3 hours of Ramadan. The nights of Ramadan hold immense value and importance, so much so that if you safeguard them, they can turn into 90 hours until the end of the month of Ramadan. First hour, the hour of Iftar. Prepare for Iftar quickly and allocate time for prayers. The supplication of a fasting person is not rejected at this time, so pray for yourself, your loved ones, and the deceased. Take an hour, the last hour of the night. In the last hour of the night, engage in solitude and have a heartfelt conversation with the Lord of the universe. Is there anyone asking for something? Is there anyone seeking forgiveness? Seek forgiveness at this time. Third hour, the hour after Fajr prayer. Sit in the mosque from after Fajr prayer until sunrise, engaging in the remembrance of Allah. Remember these 3 supplications and recite them. 1. O Allah, I ask you for a good end. 2. O Allah, grant me sincere repentance before death. 3. O Allah, O most merciful, O compassionate, O turner of hearts, make my heart steadfast upon your religion.